Now we're gonna use alcohol ink, Expresso, caramel, oregano, and latte. Okay, we have our Seran wrap. We're gonna make a little wrinkle, and then I'm gonna be using my alcohol inks to drop it on the paper. But first, I'm gonna wear my gloves because I don't want alcohol ink all over my hands. I'm gonna first start with caramel, and I'm gonna just drop a couple of drops of alcohol ink on my paper everywhere. Then my next color is gonna be oregano. And then I'm gonna do the same, just a couple of drops of oregano. Next color I'm gonna be using is Latte. And I'm gonna, once again, for every color, I'm just gonna drop to make sure they mix the colors. And last, I will be using Expresso. And again, I'm gonna be doing Once I have all the colors, I'm gonna mix them all together, making sure that I get enough on the paper or on the plastic to cover my cup. I'm gonna open it. Then I'm gonna take my cup, which is already spray painted white. It has a white base. I'm gonna wrinkle my paper to make sure that I get wrinkles on the Seran. Place my cup down and just press the paper on it, all over it, making sure that I don't have any white areas. Remember that this cup, I made it half with one theme and the other half is the other theme. So this half, I wanted to look camo. So I'm just taking my paper and dabbing my Seran until I create the effect that I like. So again, we're gonna continue dabbing, making sure that I cover all my white spots. Now I just took my paper, making sure that it's wrinkled enough, and start dabbing all over the place to leave a little bit more white space and making that effect of camo. As I can see in this cup, it looks like I might need a little bit more brown color. So I'm gonna look for a darker brown and I'm gonna apply it to my paper. You can see it's too light from what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna continue. Okay, I can see that I need more brown, so I'm gonna sprinkle brown on my paper. Basically, I'm trying to create the same effect that I used to with the sponge. I wrinkle my paper and I'm gonna dab it around my cup to give it that tone that I'm looking for. Okay, as you can see here, I have more brown. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. Just gonna dab, making sure I don't have any white spots. And then that is it. I'm gonna just remove my tape and apply my epoxy. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions, please ask them at the bottom and I will answer them as I get them. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.